Hi viewers, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful crochet sweater designs items on my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get notifications of all my videos. You will see the stylish and most beautiful full sleeve sweater designs items on my channel. Latest and unique new all best videos and stylish best items on my channel. Full sleeve sweater designs items and modern and attractive offering a unique new best sweater designs, hand knitted crochet sweater designs items on my channel. So guys, enjoy my all videos and you will see the stylish, unique new, all modern offering a unique new best collections and most beautiful best sweater designs, full sleeve sweater designs items on my channel, and 2020 unique new art collections, latest unique new upcoming and stylish best videos and best sweater designs items on my channel. So guys, for watching my all videos and visit my channel, supporting me by sharing my videos with your friends and your relatives, you will see the stylish, latest and unique new, all modern and attractive outstanding unique new best full sleeve sweater designs items from my channel, latest and unique new all collections, how much beautiful and most beautiful latest unique new creative and outstanding and stylish dark colors, light colors and color combinations, latest unique new all best sweater designs items from my channel. So guys, till the next video and for watching my all videos, how much beautiful latest and unique new all more than hundreds of new designs items on my channel, and most beautiful full sleeve sweater designs items, plus size women dress designs and hand-knitted crochet sweater designs items on my channel. So guys, for watching my all videos, latest and unique new 2020 and stylish all collections and best videos, hand-knitted dark colors, light colors, unique new best sweaters designs items on my channel. So guys, till the next video and for watching my all videos, how much beautiful latest and unique new all collections, and you will see the stylish, modern and outstanding unique new best full sleeve sweater designs, knitted and stylish all collections and unique new upcoming and stylish best videos and best designs items on my channel. Back designs, front designs, latest and unique new art collections, and most beautiful latest and unique new best styles and best designs items from my channel. More than hundreds of new designs items from my channel. Latest and unique new art collections and unique new stylish best sweater designs items from my channel. So guys, till the next video and you will see the stylish, unique new, all modern and attractive all showing unique new best styles and best designs items from my channel. So guys, till the next video and for watching my all videos, you will see the stylish, unique new, all best collections and best designs items from my channel. Modern and attractive all showing unique new best videos and 2020 unique new upcoming stylish